Hello traders and welcome to 𝐒𝐫𝐮 Trading. This is Cris. Thank you for being here and supporting us on our trading journey. Today I would like to share with you some updates regarding my further trading plans. So as I told you in some previous videos, this month I am going to start a challenge with My Forex Funds. As you may know, we are also trading a funded account with FTMO, and actually yesterday was a profit split day, so if you didn't see the video yet, you can check it on our channel, where Alex explains some updates regarding the strategy used for that account as well, so make sure to take a look on that video too. Okay, going back to the purpose of this one, the new challenge that I'm going to take is with My Forex Funds, because I just want to explore more prop firms, because until now I traded with FTMO only and I was very pleased with their services, from customer support to drawdown rules and their various improvements along the time. Regarding the strategy that I'm going to use on this new challenge, in this video I am going to explain it to you, and after that I will backtest the strategy for 1 week in order to see some remarks and results. After a lot of research and backtesting, I will no longer use indicators as I used to do, but will keep the 50 EMA and the RSI for refining some entries. So no more talk here and let's go to the charts. Alright, so first of all, I am going to trade only the GBP US dollar pair, and the entries will be made on the 1 minute time frame, but we are going to take some confirmations from the 1 hour time frame and from the 4 hours time frame as well. Let me explain you now some basics regarding the type of entries that I'm going to take, and then I will show you exactly how it works in the real market. So first of all, on the 1 minute time frame, I'm really interested in this kind of box formations. So as soon as there are 2 tops and 2 bottoms here that confirm our box, I am going to be interested into sell orders right here at the top of the box if we see nice impulse to the downside, and also I will be interested into buys at the bottom of this kind of formation. Also, if let's say the price will not go to the downside impulsively here, but will break this level and then retest it and then confirm that the price is going to the upside and is no more ranging, I am also going to look for buy entries right here above this box as soon as we see nice impulse to the upside. So this is the boxes entry. Let me just delete this one right here, and then I would like to show you another kind of entries that I'm going to take. All right, so after that, another kind of entry that is really interesting is the one that confluences with the 4 hours kind of support and resistances. So let's say that we've got a nice important 4 hours resistance right here. So we are going to look how the price reacts at this level, and there are many kind of approaches here. So first of all, the price may just make kind of a range right here, may break this level a little bit but will not be sustained to the upside, and after that, when this kind of head and shoulder formation is formed, and as soon as the price confirms right here that the impulse is going to the downside right here and the price cannot be sustained to the upside, I am going to place a sell order. Also, on this 4 hours level, I am really interested in this kind of formations. When the price is going to this level, then it looks like the impulse is to the upside, but after that, a really huge impulse downside momentum is happening right here. And we are going to place a sell order after some really nice candles that broke again this level to the downside. Also, on these 4 hour levels, you may be interested in break and retest formations. So as soon as the price breaks this level, After that, make a retest on this, and is going nice to the upside and break also this high here. We are going to place a buy order somewhere near this level. More than that, being on the 1 minute time frame, we may be also interested in this kind of nice trends. Let's say we have a nice trend to the upside. So the overall trend is to the upside, but after some time there is a huge nice retest at some kind of level right here. We are going to use in this kind of formations also the Fibonacci retracement. So let's just take this fib level here. So let's say that the level is actually right here. Okay, so if the price is coming to this level, which is an important support level right here, and also is conflicting with this 0.618 fib, we are going to look at the price and see how it reacts at this level. If we see some nice impulse to the upside, this is a confirmation that actually the trend is still continuing to the upside, as we can see here, but this was only a retracement and we may have a nice entry right here. And after that, we may have some really nice target points, because as soon as this is a nice impulsive trend to the upside and this is only a retracement, there is a clear confirmation that the next leg is going to make a higher high than the previous one. So we are going to take into consideration this aspect also when we are going to take these trades. All right, so now I am going to place first of all the supports and resistances on the 4-hour time frame on this GBP US dollar chart. So I am going to start with the bottom level. So the most recent bottom support level will be this one. All right. After that, as we can see here, the price found some nice support at this level as well, also recently. After that, we can see here a huge important level. All right, I think it's somewhere near this one. I am drawing boxes because, as you may know, the support and resistances are actually zones, not just lines. So you are going to pay attention to these levels in order to see how the price reacts when it touches them. All right, so let's see what would be the next important level. It should be this one, because as we can see, this is a really nice moment when the price reached this level and after that made a downtrend from this point to this one. Okay, and the next one will be for sure this level right here. So we are going to pay much attention right here also. And as well, we have this nice high right here, and we are going to pay attention to this level also. Regarding the 1-hour time frame, on this one I am going to add also the 50 EMA. Let me just make a change right here. Okay, I'm going to add this 50 EMA and the RSI, relative strength index. Okay, so we are going to use this RSI with the 50 EMA in order to confirm the strength of a trend. So as soon as the price will be above this 50 EMA and the RSI is above the 50 line, this is a confirmation for us that the trend is going to the upside, and this confirmation will be useful sometimes for some trades. Okay, so now let's switch to the 1 minute time frame and let's start to trade. First of all, I am going to trade this strategy only, and also backtested only in the time that I would be able to trade. So I am going to switch now to the 1 hour time frame, and starting with 8 a.m. Eastern European time to 8 p.m. Eastern European time, I would be able to trade. So I'm going to backtest only this period. All right, so let's go now to the 8 a.m. So this is the 8 a.m. candle. This is the closing of the 8 a.m. candle on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so regarding the rules for this trade, I am going to risk only 0.2% risk per trade, and I am going to add all the results of this backtesting in the box of the BlueStacks right here. All right, so let's see how is the price first of all on the 1 hour time frame. Going back, we can see that lately the price was going nicely to the upside, was in this nice uptrend, and as we can see here, the price is still above the 50 EMA and also above the 50 line of the RSI. So we are going to be really interested into buy positions as soon as we get something right here. But as we can see here, for the moment the price is quite ranging, so no trades for the moment. Okay, regarding the pattern formation, I am really interested into this kind of double tops and double bottoms in a trend. So let me explain you now. I'm not going to use this kind of double tops and double bottoms in the reversals so much, but I really like this kind of formations in trends. So let's say that the price is going nice to the upside, and then it makes some really nice double bottom. This actually looks more like a flag. I would be really interested into a buy as soon as these candles right here confirm the trend to the upside. And as you have seen on the 1 hour time frame, we are still in an uptrend. We actually had a really nice double bottom right here, but we are going to enter a trade right now. Okay, a long position right here, and the stop loss will be some points below the most recent low of this formation. All right, for this strategy I am going to target first of all the 2 to 1. This is mandatory. I'm not going to take any positions if there is a lower target than the 2 to 1, but actually I'm going to mark here this 2 to 1, because as soon as the price breaks this 2 to 1 level, I am actually going to move the stop loss at this 2 to 1, and going to actually target with the take profit and the next important level on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, as well as the 4 hours time frame, we can see here a really nice level. This level may have the most retouches here, so 1, 2, 3 candles, more 3 candles here. So we are actually going to target this level as soon as the price breaks the 2 to 1. So actually our final target will be 4.3 to 1. So we are in the trade now, and actually the 2 to 1 was hit. The price broke the 2 to 1 level, so in this moment I would just move the stop loss right here and wait for the price to go to the next level. But unfortunately this candle just took our stop loss, so we just took 2 to 1 for this position. I am going to mark the profit right here. All right, again I am going to use only 0.2% risk per trade. All right, also we've got these nice levels here, and let's see what will happen next. So the price is going descendingly to, actually this is not descendingly, this is some impulsive level, but let's switch a little bit to the 15 minutes time frame. As we can see here, we've got a really nice impulse. I'm going to drag a fib right here, And exactly as we can see, the price almost made this, but actually I didn't trace this one correctly. The price made the retouch into the 0.618 fib on the 15 minutes time frame. And we are going to be interested into a buy position right here. I would like to see one more confirmation in order to place a buy. Actually, this is a huge confirmation. And after this one, I'm going to place a long position above this candle. And the stop loss a few points below this level. Again, targeting at least the 2-to-1. Alright, let me make the chart more clear right now. Let me just delete the fibs and the previous levels used for the previous position. Alright, so again, the 2-to-1 is the top of this candle, but we are not actually placed in the MetaTrader the take profit. We are going to set just an alert on this trading view right here. Alright, and as soon as the price hits this level and breaks it, we are going to place the stop loss right here and actually target the next important level. Okay, this position is quite rangy, and again, this candle would go somewhere above the 2-to-1 level. So as soon as the price hits this level here, I would move the stop loss right here, and again we've got another 2-to-1. All right, you here may have another approach, not use the fibs on the 15 minutes time frame, but use this double bottom formation here and enter after this candle, and you would have the same position. So there are many approaches for this kind of entries. All right, let's see how the price will react in this zone. So again, we've got a new important week right here, but actually eventually the price is going to that level without us in that position. All right, so we can see now a really nice uptrend. I would like to see how the higher time frame looks. Okay, so the price is still going to the upside. Let's see also the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so using the 4-hour time frame, we may have some rejections from this level. As you can see, we already have 3 rejections on the 4-hour time frame from this level here. So this may be the end of our trend, but let's see actually how the price will react. I would like to see some more confirmations here. All right, so let's scroll a little bit and see how the price reacts on this level. The price is trying to break this one, but actually we can see here some indecision. But starting with this candle, I would be really interested into sell positions, because as you have seen in on the, I think, 15 minutes time frame, this is a level that might be the end of our uptrend. So going back to the 1-minute time frame, I am going to set a sell order after this candle. This is the third confirmation that this level is not anymore holding, and the stop loss this time will be somewhere above this line right here. Okay, targeting again at least the 2-to-1, and let's see what will happen next. And actually this was a losing trade. I'm going to add this loss here. I wasn't sure about this trade, and actually it wasn't a good one, but there is no problem here. Let's see what will happen next. Okay, so let's get some more confirmation here, because I do not really get what the price is trying to do at this level. As you can see, again, there is a rejection at this on this zone right here. Okay, let's go back to the 1-minute time frame, and let's see, maybe we will get some nice box to trade. Okay, but actually eventually the price started to go to the downside. So let's see how this impulse looks on the 1 hour time frame. So as we can see here, the price was rejected from this level here. The price couldn't break this zone. Okay, so this may indicate as a trend shift, but let's see actually how the price will react next. Actually, we can see here that the price finds some support on this level, which was tested some time ago. Okay, and let's see how it will react now. Okay, so as we can see here, we may get a box exactly at this level between these two lines. Okay, and let's see how the price will react on this one. As we can see, the price made a really nice bullish candle, and actually I will not wait for another confirmation here, because we can see here a really nice bullish engulfing candle, and actually this box is confirmed, so we are going to take a long position right here. Okay, and targeting the 2 to 1. Actually the stop loss should be a few points below. All right, targeting the 2 to 1, and here we are actually going to target only the 2 to 1 because we are into a range, and for the moment we are not expecting for this range to be broken. Okay, so our take profit was almost hit there. Okay, and now here we almost were out of this position, but for the moment we are still here. Okay, and maybe eventually our take profit will be hit. As we can see here, this is quite a nasty, but eventually, yes, the 2 to 1 was hit. I will add the profit right here. Wait a second, please. Okay, so for the moment we are plus 1% on the account. We've got 3 wins and 1 lost position. Let's see what will happen next. All right, so I would like to see the price, how it will react on this level. And actually I just scrolled a little bit too much, because as I told you, we are still in this box and we are trying to trade the tops and the bottoms. So after this candle here, we would place another short position. All right, and targeting again the 2 to 1. Let me add it here. We may also target here the bottom of this this range, but actually I can see here that it is a level that might just be between us and this this next important level. So I am going to stick only to the 2 to 1 here. Okay, and eventually our 2 to 1 was hit. I'm going to add another profit right here. Let's see what will make the price next. All right, and yeah, actually the price is again hitting this zone here. I would like to see another confirmation here, and actually after this candle I will open another short position. Okay, with the stop loss somewhere above this level, targeting the 2 to 1. Okay, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, actually we are out of this position with minus 0.2, and eventually the price would maybe hit our take profit, but we are out of this position now. Okay, we can see here a really nice candle that may break this level. Okay, so this candle broke the level, but actually we've got another candle here. Okay, All right, so after this mess here, the price is going back to the downside, but I do not really like this kind of formation because, yeah, this kind of candles happen after. All right, and let's see how the price react after the break of this level. I would really like to see a nice entry here, but let's see some more clear candles. All right, so after this candle and after this retouch of this zone, I'm going to place a buy order right here. All right, with the stop loss some points below this level, targeting again the 2 to 1. But actually now we are going to check a little bit the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and yeah, for the moment I think we will stick only for the 2 to 1 because I don't really know how the price will react to that rejected level right here. But for the most important target, actually we may set this level here, which is the 4 hours resistance. Also, we can see here on the 1 hour time frame that if the price breaks this level here, which is our 2 to 1, there is a lot of room to the left in order for the price to just hit this this nice level here. So let's see how the price will react. Okay, we are in the position now, but as I told you, I was really afraid about this level here, and I would like to see a more clear break to the upside. This is not a clear break to the upside, but let's see if our 2 to 1 would be hit, because after that the red candle with took us out, and yes, actually after the 2 to 1 would be hit right here, we would move the stop loss to this level, and this candle would took us out. Okay, so adding another 2 to 1 here, but it would be really nice to just get a nice trade and impulse to the upside to the next important level. But let's see, because I've seen in several times in backtesting that there is a nice chance to get this kind of 12 to 1 trade as soon as a nice level is broken. So let's see how the price reacts again right here. So after hitting this level, we've got a nice impulsive candle to the upside, but after that we've got this candle which shows me some indecision. So I would wait for the next candle in order to confirm me that the price is going to the upside. So again, I'm going to place a long position above this candle. Stop loss will be some more points than the previous one, but it's a decent one. Okay, targeting first of all the 2 to 1, and let's see how this position will play out. Actually, we are out of this position with minus 0.2, but this is not a problem. Again, we are going to take another long here because this candle actually gives us more confirmation than the previous one. And as we can see here, the price is going to the upside, it's trying to break that level, and it's making several bottoms here, which indicates me that the buyers are here, and we are going to go with the trend. Okay, again, as soon as the price hits the 2 to 1 level, I am going to set an alert in the real market and move the stop loss at this level as soon as this one is hit. All right, so the 2 to 1 was hit, and actually exactly after the 2 to 1 being hit, I would just close this position because our stop loss would be immediately hit. All right, another 2 to 1 here. And let's see what will happen next. Okay, so eventually the price broke this level here, and let's see how it will react, and maybe we will get a nice retest, but actually the reaction is still to the downside here. Okay, let's see how it will react again at this level. We can see now some really nice momentum to the upside. So actually after this candle, or maybe after the next candle, if you need more confirmation, we are going to place a new long position right here with the stop loss somewhere below this level, and setting the 2 to 1. Okay, and let's see what will happen next. Okay, and eventually the price made a new retest at this level, got us out with minus 0.2%, and come with this new impulsive candle to the upside. Okay, some messy price action right here. Okay, the price is still retesting this level, and eventually we may get a nice entry here. What I do not like regarding this formation here is that we can see a triangle forming right here. Okay, and this kind of triangles ends up by being broken to the downside, because we can see that the price finds support right here and then is pushing to the upside by the buyers, but they are becoming slower and lower and slower, and eventually the sellers are going to take in. So I will wait and not going to be involved into buy positions at least for this level to be broken. So if this level is going to be broken, I am going to be interested into a buy. Otherwise, I told you I am really concerned about this kind of triangle here, and maybe waiting for sell positions. Okay, but actually we can see here that the price broke really nice this level here, and we are going to wait for entries if we get any. All right, sorry, just played a little bit too much. Okay, let's see how the price will react. And actually after this candle I am going to place another buy position here. Okay, the stop loss somewhere near below these wicks that formed this box here, targeting the 2 to 1. Okay, and eventually the 2 to 1 was hit, and would be just closed right here, because as I told you, as soon as 2 to 1 is hit, I immediately moved the stop loss at the 2 to 1, and we wouldn't be more in this position. I wanted this video to cover some more trades, but actually I can see that this video is quite long, so I think I will call it a video. For the moment, with GBP US dollar, in only one day I managed to get plus 2% on the account using 0.2% risk per trade, which is quite a great result. We've got 7 wins and 4 lost trades, and I think I will continue this video into another episode. If you have any questions regarding my entries, regarding this strategy, please write them in comments, or you also can write us on Instagram. You have the links into the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I just can't wait to start this My Forex Funds challenge. I'm going to document it here on the channel, so stay tuned for the next videos. Thank you again for watching. See you in our next videos, and until then, of course, trade safe and trust the process.